What if you could live a life that you've always dreamed of? Wake up every day to the great outdoors. Work right beside nature. Learn amidst lush greeneries. Surround yourself with the freshest of nature. All these are waiting for you right at your doorstep. Presenting Alviera. Continuing its tradition of enhancing land and enriching lives for more people, comes another mixed-use master plan development right at the heart of Central Luzon, Pampanga. Ayala Land, in partnership with Leonia Land, presents a 1,100-hectare master plan community. Close to the Clark Airport, Subic Freeport, and accessible from 3 major road networks. Strategically located within thriving business and leisure communities. Marvel at the majestic views of Porac while comfortably seated in your own backyard. A holistic living experience found in a natural paradise with a wide range of residential options. Here is a place where foundations for your journey are laid down. Where you pursue your dreams. Build relationships. Creating memories. With breathtaking views that let you enjoy nature and things that matter. Giving you the luxury of time to pursue your passions. A vision of a modern, progressive city amid stunning backdrop of mountain views and rolling hills in a 1,100-hectare sprawling development. Urban living embraced by nature. Alviera.